A simple solution to have a flat stomach. Have you ever asked yourself, why do I have belly fat even though I work out and exercise daily? What foods make my stomach flat? You are not alone. These are common problems shared by everyone. But this video has a solution to all your problems. Keep watching this video, learn the secret behind a flat stomach. Ginger tea helps you to reach your desired result. It will help lose fat, make your stomach flat and reduce belly fat. Belly fat is accumulated due to several reasons. Overeating, stress, hormone reduction, lack of exercise. But ginger has metabolism boosting, relief for sore muscles, treatment for different forms of nausea and help with osteoarthritis. Make it a habit to have 2 cups of ginger tea daily, and you will see the result in just 1 week. Be sure and share your feedback with us. Until next time, stay in touch.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.